place all doors to automatic and cross-check and to ensure that all toilets are unoccupied and locked off. Ladies and gentlemen, for your information, we have 415 customers on board and full crew of 18 crew members. Thank you.
418 customers, 18 crew. There's the jetway being retracted.
Show a short video which illustrates safety equipment and procedures for this Boeing 747-400. You may have known one of our aircraft recently, but as each aircraft can be slightly different, please watch and listen carefully. You do share responsibility with us for your own safety, so if you have any questions after watching the video, please ask a member of the crew as they make their final checks of the cabin. Cabin crew, please prepare for a video demonstration. Thank you.
Okay, I'm going to resume recording once we push back and we perform the engine startup. Okay, we've just started pushback. And this is London Gatwick, the busiest single runway airport in the world. And we are in a Boeing 747-400, just like the one in the distance. And we are on the upper deck, which is why we're quite high above the wings. On water, we use the exit at the back. We land on land, we use the exits on the upper deck. You see the outboard engine on the port side just windmilling. Okay, we're just starting the engines now. Okay, that was the second engine starting up. Okay, it should be our turn to take off. The cabin crew have just been told to... There you go, they've just been told to take their seats, and We're taxiing onto the runway now. So I know a lot will ask this question. I'm on seat 77A on the upper deck. And this is Virgin Atlantic flight VS42, I think. VS43 from London Gatwick to Las Vegas. Okay, full takeoff thrust applied. V1, right, go. You can see the slats at the front of the wing to help generate more lift. They've been extended. And we're into the clouds.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on board.
And we're above the
My name is
clouds.
Zoe and I'm your flight service manager on board today's flight to Vegas. My team today includes 2 cabin service supervisors, Karen in upper class and premium economy, and Susie in economy. There are just a few safety reminders that we need to tell you about before we settle down for the flight. As the fasten seatbelt signs are still on, please keep your seatbelt fastened for now. Your seatbelt will help to keep you safe if we encounter turbulence, so you should keep it fastened whenever you're in your seat. If turbulence is expected or occurs, the captain will turn on fasten seatbelt signs. To save us disturbing you when we check that your belt is fastened, please ensure that it always remains visible to us over the top of any blankets or duvets. Smoking, including electronic and smokeless cigarettes, is not allowed on board. Some electronic equipment may interfere with the aircraft system. We've provided details of these on the back of your safety card. We have a mobile telephone network available on this aircraft. If you wish to use it, turn off the flight safe mode on your device, but do please ensure that Wi-Fi is still disabled. If you're connecting your electronic equipment to the in-seat power supply, please do not leave it connected while you're not using it, just in case it overheats. Please also avoid connecting any item that produces direct heat to our power supply. We'd like you to enjoy your flight with us today, so do please bear in mind that we only serve alcohol in moderation. Please don't be offended if we stop serving you, and of course this also means that you are not able to drink your own supply. Any duty-free alcohol purchases will be delivered to your seat before landing. Thank you.
Okay, the slats have been retracted, as you can see. So as we heard in the announcement, there is a GSM FEM to cell on board this aircraft, and it's powered by Aeromobile, which is technology by Panasonic.
Gentlemen, we have a full range of duty-free shopping on board today. If you are interested, please take a look at the retail therapy magazine in your seat pocket. Many items are exclusive to Virgin. We also have a selection of snacks available for purchase throughout the flight. If you intend buying duty-free liquids on board, please let the crew know if you have a connecting flight, as your purchases will need to be presented to security for inspection. We can put them at your receipt into a tab evidence of your duty-free bag, which you mustn't open until you reach your flighting destination.
So a couple of years ago there was a
Make sure you are delayed when clearing immigration and customs at Las Vegas. The forms you have already been given must be completed before you leave the aircraft. The customs form should be completed by everyone or by the head of a family if you're travelling under the same name and living at the same address. Your information, our flight number today is VF043. The crew will be happy to help you if required. Please keep all the forms together with your passport and hand them to the authorities when requested. Thank you.
Yes, so there was a company a couple of years ago called Connection by Boeing that provided in-flight data and telephony services, but that has now been taken over by Panasonic, and that's what is supplying the services to these aircraft.